Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to use ternary operator in JavaScript. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So ternary operator basically it's a if else statement and it's a shorthand statement of if else, right? So rather than writing a if else statement consuming the too much lines of code, we are using the ternary operator beside this, right? So here you can see that I have defined the age, and here age, if it is greater than 18, okay, then it put yes, else it will put no. So this is a shorthand ternary operator syntax where you have to write condition, expression. If it evaluates true, then this one. If it is false, then this one. So this is how we are able to use the ternary operator in JavaScript. Let's save it and run in the browser window. Here you can see that it prints yes. Why? Because age is greater than 18. That means it's yes. If it is making like 17, what happens? No, because it's not greater than 18, right? So it prints no. So if the condition first is true, then yes, else it will say no. So this is how we are able to use the ternary operator in JavaScript. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.